In this bowl, I have 5 apples already peeled and cut up into pieces. We have 1 bag of caramel that I already took out of the wrappers and 2 tablespoons of water in there. We're going to put these in the microwave for 2.5 minutes to melt. After 2 minutes in the microwave, our caramel is nice and melted. All we're going to do is dump it on our apples. Once you get it all out, then we're going to mix it up all over our apples. Today we're making a caramel apple galette. We made our pie crust just like we did in a previous video. Rolled it out. Once you get that all on there, then you just fold the crust around the apples. So it's all folded around the apples so it doesn't drain out. Then we're going to bake it for 40 minutes on 375 till golden brown until the apples are done. This is going to be caramel apple galette. The apple galette is done. It was in the oven for an hour. We're going to put a little powdered sugar on top just for decoration. And that is our caramel apple galette. I hope you like the recipe. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.